Hello everyone. So we are going to discuss regarding the fourth part of Unit 4 of Rural Institution Planning and Development. Here we will be discussing regarding the social security programs, namely Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme, IGNDPS, Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, IGNWPS, Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, IGNOAPS, National Family Benefit Scheme, NFBS, and Annapurna Scheme. Before going into each scheme, let's first discuss regarding the National Social Assistance Program. The National Social Assistance Program, that is the NSAP, is a centrally sponsored scheme of the Government of India that provides financial assistance to the elderly, widow, and person with disabilities in form of social pension. The National Social Assistance Program represents a significant step towards the fulfillment of the directive principle in Article 41 of the Constitution. The program introduced a national policy for social assistance for the poor and aims at ensuring minimum national standards for social assistance in addition to the benefits that states are currently providing or might provide in future. The components included are Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi Widow Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme, National Family Benefit Scheme, and Annapurna Scheme. Going into the area development program, let's first discuss in detail regarding each. The first we will be discussing regarding the Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, that is the IGNOAPS. The Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, the IGNOAPS, is a non-contributory old age pension scheme that covers Indians who are 60 years and above and live below the poverty line. All individuals above the age of 60 who live below the poverty line are eligible to apply for this. And all beneficiaries aged 60 to 79 receive a monthly pension of rupees 300, rupees 200 by the central government and rupees 100 by the state government. And those 80 years and above receive a monthly pension of rupees 500. States are strongly urged to provide an additional amount, at least an equivalent amount, to the assistance provided by the central government so that the beneficiaries can get a decent level of assistance. Now let's discuss regarding the Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, that is the IGNWPS. The Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, introduced in the year 2009, provides BPL widows in the age group of 40 to 64 with a monthly pension of rupees 200 per beneficiary. After they attain the age of 60, they qualify for pension under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, IGNOAPS. They should get up to 2,000 rupees according to this. And this program was started in 2007 under the Ministry of Rural Development. What is Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme? That is the IGNDPS. Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme, IGNDPS, for financial assistance to severely disabled and handicapped person dated 22 of 2000, November month. The disabled person's age should be below 64 years, must have 80% or above disability. The income of the disabled person family should be up to the score of 16 in the BPL list for rural and urban areas and who possess the BPL beneficiary mark as per the Rural Development Guidelines. Must have permanent resident of Gujarat state minimum 10 years. Must have disabled identity card issued by the state government. The National Family Benefit Scheme, NFBS, has been introduced by the government to help such poor households who suffer due to accidental or natural death of the primary earning member. The scheme provides a sort of immediate compensation to the affected family in order to help them to come out of the situation. It is, however, one-time assistance for the affected families and nothing more than that. Finally, we will be discussing now regarding the Annapurna Scheme. The Ministry of Rural Development launched the Annapurna Scheme in 2000-2001. Indigent senior citizens of 65 years of age or above who thought eligible for old age pension under National Old Age Pension Scheme but are not getting the pension are covered here. I hope the social security programs discussed like Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, National Family Benefit Scheme, and Annapurna Scheme were informative and understandable to all of you. Thank you for listening.